Hello, how are you? Welcome back. In this lesson, we will learn all the rectangle tools in the SolidWorks, how to place them, and the difference between corner, center, and three-point rectangles, and quick tips to make sketch fast and accurate. Let's dive in. First, create a new part like other session here and here and here. We always work inside a part because every 3D model and feature begins from a sketch in the part environment. Now choose a plane, front, top, right. I'll use the front plane. We need a plane because a sketch moves live on a 2D surface, so SolidWorks can place geometry currently in 3D space. We have a sketch in front plane. Go to sketch rectangle menu here. In drop down menu you'll see several type of rectangle, corner, center, 3-point rectangle, 3-point center rectangle, and parallelogram. First, corner rectangle here. Activate from here. The corner rectangle is the most common. Click the first corner and move the mouse and click the opposite corner. That's it. Click corner and move the mouse for opposite corner. That's it. Next one is center rectangle. Activate from here like other type of rectangle. The center rectangle draws from the center point outward. Click to place the center and move the mouse. Drag and click to set a corner like that. Center and move the mouse and for define a corner. So easy. This is ideal when the rectangle must be symmetric about the origin or center line like that. Origin. The next one, 3-point rectangle. Activate it from here. In 3-point rectangle, we need 3 clicks. The first 2 define a base edge and the third one defines the opposite corner. Edge. 1, 2, and opposite corner. 1, 2, and opposite corner. 1, 2, and opposite corner. We use this type of rectangle when we need a rectangle at a specific angle. Very useful to rotate frames like that and aligning to existing geometry. Next one, three-point center like the previous one. And like that. 1 point, another point, and another point. And the last one is parallelogram. Activate it from here. The parallelogram tool creates a 4-sided shape with the parallel opposite sides like that. Like that. It's useful for keyed features or shapes that are not rectangular but need parallelism. Like that. So, recap about this session: corner rectangle, center rectangle, 3-point rectangle, and parallelogram. If this helped, like and subscribe. Next lesson we'll speak about another tools in SolidWorks. Bye bye.